Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Parrot Security OS 6.2. But the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. Okay, so first open terminal, then verify whether we have any MySQL is installed as a default database. Status MySQL, hit enter. See, don't have MySQL but we have MariaDB and it is not started and disabled. So to install we have to uninstall this one. So uninstall this, but if you want to use MariaDB you can use. Then just start by replacing this status with start. Okay, but I am going to install MySQL latest version, that is 8.0.40. So I am going to uninstall this one. Sudo apt-get remove -- purge, then mariadb star, type and hit enter. Also remove direct databases, yes, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to run sudo apt auto remove, hit enter, type and hit enter. Now open web browser, go to applications, internet, then open Firefox. In meantime, verify the status of MySQL. Also verify the status of MariaDB. Sudo systemctl status control MySQL. See, you don't have any MySQL service. Even if you try with MariaDB, see, you don't have any service with MariaDB. Control L. Okay. Now go to the browser. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then see here we have the versions from 8.0.40, 8.4.3 and 9.10. But if you are unable to find version this 8.0.40, then you have to click on archive. Then there you will find. Okay. So select 8.0.40, then select operating system. See here we don't have Parrot OS. Okay. So go to terminal, more/etc os-release. See here its ID is like Debian. So we have to select Debian and see here it populated list of Debian packages that needs to be installed. So click on, but instead of downloading each of them, so click on this Debian Linux deb bundle. Click on download, click on no thanks, just start my download. Now open terminal again, go to downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.0.40 bundle. It is tar file, so first we have to untar this file. Give the MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. It is done. ls. See here these are the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Control A, ls. Before installing these we have to install following dependencies. I will keep this command in the video description. It is done. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL 8.0.40. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter. See here, MySQL 8 uses new authentication based improved SHA 256 based password methods. Okay, select tab and okay. See here we have two methods: use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. It is up to you. I am going with the old one, that is legacy. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify, Ctrl L, sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL is installed but it is not started. Ctrl L, sudo systemctl start it. Now verify the status again. See, we have successfully started MySQL. We see also enable the MySQL service because see here it is disabled. So sudo systemctl enable MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we have started MySQL service. It is, see here it is running and it is enabled. If you to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL server. Sudo MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of MySQL user that we have given. See, we have installed MySQL server 8.0.40. Also verify, select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.40. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Create database hacks. Show databases. See, we have created a database. Okay, let us switch to this new database. Use, then provide the database name. Select current database. See, we are in this database. Okay, let us create a table in this database. Create table. Now verify tables, show tables. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these three rows. Let us create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, so we have to use the command. Select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with installation of MySQL. So let us create a user. Create user. Now verify again. See, new user is there. Now try to connect to MySQL server with this user. Exit MySQL -u James-p. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. Now verify the current user. Select current _user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Parrot OS. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. It is stopped. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Now also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is running. Okay. Now restart. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Control A. We can also connect to MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. If you want to install dbeaver on your machine, then there is a link in the video description, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install dbeaver on Parrot OS. Okay, start. Then search for dbeaver. See, here we have the dbeaver C. C means community edition. Click on it. Now click on this plus button. Then select the MySQL. Then click on see. If it is MySQL, select MySQL. If it is MariaDB, select MariaDB. If it is Oracle, select Oracle. You can select any of these databases. Then click on next. Then the host. I have installed MySQL on this PC, so localhost. Then port number 3306. Then database name is Hacks. See, I have the database Hacks. So give that. It is not hacker. Hacks. Then username, root, whatever the user there in MySQL, you have to give that. Then provide the password of the user. Then click on test connection. Click on download drivers. Click on download. See, drivers downloaded successfully, also connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand this one. Expand databases. See, here we have these databases. Right click on it. Create new database. Then bank. Click on OK. See, new database is there. Even we can also verify. Show databases. Okay, see, we have these databases. Exit. Okay, we have successfully connected MySQL by using dbeaver. Unless these files are not required anymore, remove them. rm star.deb. ls, we have one more file, remove that one also. That is star file. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Parrot OS 6. For more MySQL or Parrot OS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.